Hey friends and family, welcome back to the channel, Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I'm Shaggy, appreciate you being here. All you outlaws and in-laws, welcome in. Thank you, thanks guys. I've surpassed 600 subscribers over the last couple of days. Thank you, you guys are awesome. Yeah, appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you for being here, and thank you for doing what you do. Thanks for all the comments, and I mean, it's just, I'm overwhelmed. Thanks guys. You people are awesome. Appreciate each and every one of you. Welcome back, all the old subscribers. Thank you for being here. Let me get you turned around to the bench, and I'll show you what's going on today. In the last video, I did the that rat rod, and I told you guys when I finished it, I was going to show you the motorcycle that came in that particular kit, the 29 Model A Ford truck pickup with the California chopper, I think it was. I finally finished the chopper, so let me get you turned around to the bench, and I'll show you what happened. How are we doing? Yeah, we're back at the bench. Let me turn you around and show you what I got going on. Just a second. A little rough. Let me see here. Get you turned down a little bit. There we go. Well, hang on. Let me see if I can lower this down a little bit more. Just a second. Sorry, guys. Should have been more prepared. Just a moment. Okay, right there should be good. There we go. So yeah, guys, it's the 29 Model A Ford pickup California chopper. Get some more light down on the. There we go. Is that better or is that worse? I don't know. There we go. But anyhow, guys. That's the chopper. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Make it better for you peoples. There we go. Yeah, this is a pretty cool build. This is the first scale motorcycle I have ever built, and of course it had to be the 1/24th, 1/25th scale. So many fiddly parts, but you know what? It's well worth it. It's just a really cool build. Yeah, there's a lot going on in this kit. Let me get my little saber pointer out and I'll show you what's going on. Ooh, hang on. Let me redo this right quick. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Let me stop this right quick. Well, stop it where you can see it. Well, there we go. Now it stopped. Good Lord. Might need to, you know what? I need to readjust this camera. Because the light's not doing right, so I need to pick it up. And do it the right way. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get the best view of this thing that I can get for you. But, so yeah. There it is. California chopper. As you can tell, it's pretty small. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand. I like it. Let me see what we need to talk about first. First of all, show you the color that I painted this thing. The this color here. It's the Mr. Metal Color Copper, number 215. That is the frame and the tank and the fender. That's all that one color. I think it's pretty cool. Zoom in a little more. Yeah, there you go. That looks a little better, I guess. No, back on the white. So yeah, All of this, that's all that metal color. And then the front end, the springer, that's like 4 different pieces. You got this piece here, this piece here. Let me turn the... And then you got the triple tree here, and then you got this piece right here, part of the frame. All of this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Yeah, it's a 5-piece front end, and it's really small. Well, the light itself is another issue. That's 2 pieces by itself. That is not the light that came with this kit. The light that came with this kit is it's supposed to be 2 different small headlights. I didn't like that. I like the bigger headlight. So what I did is I took this right here, this little light right here. Let me see if I can zoom in a little more. Yeah, there we go. That's a nice little view of it. Yeah, that is out of the Tallery Truck Stop Accessories kit. The housing and the bulb are separate, and I put the glass in the bulb. Well, the glass in the headlight. It comes yellow. I kind of like the yellow. Kind of ties in with the copper color. But yeah, that's pretty cool. As you can see, I weathered the springs. Well, say I weathered them. I put some black wash in there, as well as on the engine. It's just not showing up that well. When the video's over, I'll do a bunch of still shots and show you guys. But yeah, see the chain, how delicate and finicky that is? That's all one piece. The chain and everything is one piece. The hub chain is all one piece. The drive cover is all one piece. These are some finicky parts. The little these little pegs, those are one piece. Little pegs are one piece, and then the kickstand, that's another one piece. But I didn't like the kickstand that came with it, so I made my own. I took a piece of paper clip and bent it and shaved it down so that it would sit properly. See there how it sits? Yeah, I like it sitting like that. It's got kind of a lean to it. Most choppers back in the day, that's how they were doing. But I think it's a pretty cool little build. Yeah, there's a lot going on with it. Lots of small, intricate pieces, and I like it. It's 4 different colors. You have the copper color. Then you got the steel color. Let me show you what color that is. It's that color, and then we got this, and then we have rubber black for the tires. So yeah, but yeah, this sorry guys, I'm just not prepared today. Yeah, the steel on the engine is this here, Mr. Model. It's the model color oily steel, and then the of course the tires is painted with rubber black. I mean, the tires came as rubber tires, but between me back and forth doing touching up painting, I got paint all over the tires, and so I just went back over the tires with another coat of rubber black. So you can tell I got a little bit careless right there with some of the paint. Let me see here. Get that going again. And then I used some of the Fusion Firm. This stuff here. Hang on, let me zoom back out. Sorry, guys. This Fusion Firm for all the touch-up in chrome. And you guys remember I stripped the whole chrome after this bite because I didn't want everything chrome. So after I got it all assembled and everything, I painted the wire wheels and all the accents and the gas cap and the foot pegs, the kickstart, and all of that with the Fusion Firm. And something else I showed you guys last time. These exhaust pipes, these are custom built. I made those out of 1/16 rod styrene. I didn't like the ones that came in the kit because it was a big fishtails and they stood up way out to here, and it's I just didn't like the way it looked. So what I did is I made my own. Hope you guys like that. But yeah, that's the motorcycle, guys. If there's any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. And like I said, here in a few minutes, I'll show you a bunch of still pictures of the bike, just so you can get close-up pictures better than what I can do in videos. But in the meantime, guys, I'd like to show a shop card I got in the mail the other day, and it was from this guy, K-Dog's Malacard Doghouse. He's he's a great builder. Really, really cool guy. He does some phenomenal builds. And I believe he's friends with Kelly over at the Monocar Archaeology. So yeah, I think they're probably in the same club. But if you got a chance, go over to K-Dog's Malacard Doghouse. Tell him Shaggy sent you. And leave him a comment on some of his video, watch some of his stuff, and subscribe to his channel. But yeah, cool, man. As we're on to K-Dogs, he also sent out a cool little sticker. You know how I love my stickers. But yeah, I think that's all I got today, guys. Yeah, that's it for today. Ooh, wow, that focusing is really bad. Let me get off here so you guys get. There we go. That's better. But yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Appreciate all the old subscribers. Appreciate all the commenters. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and share the video. Leave me a comment. Tell me how I did. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. And remember, keep the stash growing and your airbrush blowing. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.